Hi students, today I wanted to show you how to correct your email. Hi students, I wanted to show you how to correct your email writing assessment. So in your Gmail, you'll see that Julie shared a document with you, document shared with you. So click on this email, and if you scroll down, it says Julie MacArthur has invited you to edit. So click on the email, and then your email opens up, and basically I put it in a Word document so you can see that there are corrections here, and on the right hand side there are comments. So the best way to go through this is to just start at the top and click on the first colored part you see. Then the comment box opens, and here I can see it says use a comma. So I can click the check mark, I can reply if I want to tell Julie something. If I click it, and then I'm going to have to, if it's yellow, I'm going to have to make the change myself. So then I'm going to keep reading along and reading along until I hit the blue squiggly lines. And with those ones, the comment comes just above. I read it and decide if that makes sense. You are not alone, comma. So that made sense, and I can click on it. Now I want to scroll down. And sometimes you can't see everything here, by the way. You might have to, if your screen is too large, there'll be a slider that you have to slide back and forth at the bottom. I'll show you that here. So right now my screen is big. See, I can't see the comments now because my screen is too big, but I have a slider. So the slider will make it go back and forth, okay? But I'm gonna make it smaller just so you can see everything. So now I'm gonna go back here, and there's a pink line here. Let me click on that. And what does it say? It says delete have to. Firstly, you could take time, okay? I'll click the check mark, and that one just corrects itself. So I'm just gonna go along, and the blue squiggly line, take time to do something, okay? I click on the suggestion, and it changes, will help with, let's click on the colored, and over here on the right, I see it says add with. So I'm gonna check that. You're stressed, okay? The computer has done that. I click on that one, okay? And I'm gonna just keep going through, reading the comments and clicking on them. Oh, this one here, let me see what Julie said. You need to add the word and, okay? And the blue squiggly ones about your feelings. And look at this one. This one is a yellow one. And when I click on it, I get a comment. So if I click somewhere else, it's small. I click on the yellow, I have a comment, and it says delete this sentence. Oh, okay. So I guess Julie wants me to get rid of this sentence. And you notice after you click on it, the colored part disappears. So you just keep going through like this until you get to the end, and it's done. You finished correcting everything. Oh, it says use best wishes here. Okay, I'll do that. And then you would have to have your name. When I'm all done correcting, I need to read it through. I suggest that you copy it down in your notebook for extra practice, and then you can just click share and make sure that Julie is on there, and click just share again. That way I get it and send. That is how you correct your email.